Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making honey garlic salmon with a twist. If you guys want to see how this is made, then keep on watching.
Nice little brownie, nice little island thing. Teeth white when my smile and ting. Summer odds on my solo. Like the man panda polo. Time for get a island thing right now.
Okay, so first we're going to start out with our salmon. This is roughly 2.5 pounds of salmon. You can use the salmon steak for this, but I prefer the fillet. So now we're going to go ahead and season our salmon. First, I'm going to be using Old Bay. All the measurements in this entirety is going to be down below in the description box for you guys to follow along. Next, we're going to follow up with paprika, parsley flakes. You can use the fresh parsley if you want, seasoned salt, and then lastly for the seasoning, we're using black pepper. So once that's all in, we're gonna make sure that we rub all the seasonings in. These are the ingredients that you're gonna need for the sauce. We have minced garlic, honey, and sweet chili sauce. This is something that I'm putting in mine. A lot of people usually use like sugar and stuff like that, but this gives it a nice taste. And then we also have a lime. You could use lemon for this. This is just for some acidic content. And then we have ginger, of course. So I already lined this aluminum foil pan with olive oil. You can use any kind of baking dish, baking rack that you want to use. And then right here I have the salmon. I went ahead and cut it up, but you don't have to do this. This is completely optional. Now I have some olive oil on my hands. I'm just gonna lightly rub it. This is just to prevent the salmon from sticking. So just gonna place it. So this is how it looks, all seasoned. The oven is already preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're just gonna add this to the oven for about 25 minutes and then we're gonna check on it. So I just took the salmon out the oven after 25 minutes and this is what it's looking like. Now I'm gonna prepare the sauce to just put over top and then I'm gonna put it in the oven for another 15 minutes, but I'm gonna show you guys that process. So we're making the sauce right now and I just added in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now I have 2 tablespoons of fresh minced garlic. And then I have roughly 2 inches of fresh ginger that's chopped. So we're just gonna saute the ginger and the garlic together for about 2 minutes. And the heat right now is on medium. So after this has been sauteed for about 2 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and add in some liquid. So this is 1/2 cup of the sweet chili sauce. And then right here we have 1/3 cup of honey. Just wanna make sure that you combine everything. And then the last thing that we're gonna put in here to kind of bring everything all together is the lime juice. But like I said, you could also use lemon for this. I'm gonna leave this for about 3 minutes to kind of thicken up a bit before I put it over the salmon. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pour the sauce over the salmon. Make sure that each piece is nicely covered. Now that everything is nicely glazed, we're gonna put it in the oven for 15 minutes. It's gonna still be the same temperature. So yeah. So this is the finished salmon. I just took it out of the oven after the last 15 minutes. And this is how everything's looking. It's all cooked through. It's perfect, exactly how I like it. And then I also just added a little bit of this crushed red pepper over the top to garnish it a bit, just to add a little bit of spiciness. You could do that if you'd like I said, optional as well. So yeah, now I'm gonna plate it and then show you guys what that looks like.